What's up, guys? It's your boy Choco Times here, back in another video, and you already know what is going on. So today I'm going to be doing a dirt bike ride. I'm going to put on my shoes and stuff. I might actually end up putting, I know it's dark over here. Hold on. Get some lighting up in here. The shoes don't want to wear. I got green on. Right. Shirt a little too long. It's a little too long, but we're goody. Should I wear some slides? Huh? I don't know, guys. But I might end up wearing slides. So, got my trusty dusty slides on. Got my Apple Watch for tracking, just in case I get lost. Let's go. I'll see you when I get on the bike. You guys hooked up to the bike. Hopefully I don't drop hard right here. Alright guys, so we are about to pull off. I'm just hooking the camera up. Good. Alright, so let's go. I want to be exploring. Sorry about the wind. Like this one day, this cop told me not to ride on the sidewalk, but I'm going to do it anyway. You know, my bike only goes somewhat 20 miles an hour, so I don't understand why he wants me to ride in the street. My bike only goes 20 miles an hour, and that's going like on the flat ground. It's a branch right here. Like, burn that over real quick. There's some pretty healthy rain clouds in the sky right now. They're pretty scary, but we are good. So I'm in the street because in Virginia there's no sidewalks. There's no type of sidewalk. So I don't know what they want me to do by driving in the road. So I don't know. So I'm just going. Huh? What that lady was talking about. We're going fast. We're going fast. Oh my God, I can't even use my brakes because I'm holding the camera. Holy. So guys, we are right here. I don't know where we at right now, but yeah, we're not that far from the house. All I gotta do is cut around. And I could take that way home. So I'm just gonna hook you guys up because I'm gonna go downhill. I gotta go downhill to go, you know. So I'm gonna hook you guys up. plugging right here. There's some really big rain clouds coming in. Tomorrow we're supposed to have a hurricane, so pray for us, guys. Pray for my house and my family. Guys, let's go. I just switched it to manual, you guys. So you might hear the bike clutch a little bit. I'm smelling rain. I shift up like a regular dirt bike, but when I downshift, I gotta like hold it. But like I don't hold it all the way down until like it stops because I don't have a clutch. I have it's a brake inside. It's the clutch inside of the brake, so I gotta hold it down a little bit to clutch up. We'll ride around the block one more time. I did cut him off. Guys, I'm being chased right now. He can't come over here, so. Guys, I'm being chased right now. Let me try to hook you guys up again so I can dip, because I think I see them. I'm gonna have to hold you guys for a second. It's pretty bumpy. I'm getting chased. I gotta go. I'm just gonna weave past him. The clouds are rolling in right now. There goes the car, he's parking. That was one of the guys that I always used to race. While they're parking in front, while they're parking sense at all. Like, why are you parked in the road? Like, they're parked dead up in the road. They're following me. They're following me. I'm turning around. I'm turning. Huh? What the heck? She's turning around, guys. She's turning around. I'm gone, bro. I'm gone. I don't know what's that lady's problem. She turned around, guys. Right in front of my house. I gotta try to hook my camera up better. Pop this off. Hard. There we go. For some reason it likes to slide, so. Some clouds are rolling in pretty bad. Like some really dark rain clouds. Oh my gosh, these clouds are really dark. And you guys can't say I'm racist because I am black. Look at that. Look how dark those are. Guys, I'm gonna get back to you. I'm gonna get back to you when I get in the house because these clouds are rolling in pretty badly. I gotta put up the dirt bike. Peace. So guys, I made it in the house. Dirt bike is right here. Hold on, let me put some light up in here. Dirt bike right here on the charger. It's actually bigger than you think it is. See, look, I got the Apple symbol right there. This is a dirt bike. I mean, Apple bike. Get it? Apple bike. Guys, I bet you I can teleport up these stairs. Ready? Yep, let's go. My TV is automatically playing things. Paused up. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you like and subscribe. Tell me what was your best part in this video. And good night. Peace.